just got a tail light out warning message on the SID. Show you here quickly. So it's hard to really tell. The bulb is going. It's this one here, which actually is a bit lower than the one on the other side. Can't tell from back here though. And this is why a lot of people get confused when they see the bulb out warning, and they actually go and they look and the bulb is still lit. It's because the car will actually warn you before it completely dies. So because the car will warn you before it actually dies, it's a good opportunity to get it fixed before it completely fails. So it's just basically saying that the voltage is off, and yeah, that's about it. So gotta love some of the features on these bad boys. So in the last video I didn't actually show removing the bulb and putting a new one in, so here we go. Push in, twist, pull it out, put the new one in. Oh, this bulb's no good. Interesting. Wow, okay. Well, there goes that. Wow, alright. Well, I guess I'll throw this one back in. Just line it up with that little slot there. Push it in. Actually, I don't think that one lines up. They're slightly offset. There we go. Alright. And that one's done. I have to go get my money back on that other one. Alright, it's one side done. Now let me actually take a look at these carefully. Make sure these ones aren't broken. Okay, these seem to be okay. Alright, just flip it down. Pull the holder, the entire unit out. Push in, twist, pull out. Grab one of the bulbs. Hard to do this with one hand actually. There we go. Alright, and then just line it up. Nope. It was on the other side. There we go. Yeah, see, they are slightly offset. Alright, push this one in. Twist, remove. Grab this one. And same thing. That should be good. It seems kind of loose. Just dropped it behind the carpet. Oh, that's not good. Fun. Alright, so I got the bulb back from behind the carpet. Anyway, yeah, so just push in, twist, it's in, and then just push it, slide it back into the holder, and whoops. Come on, get in there. There we go. And you're good. No more warnings. Alright, let's see what happens. Perfect. No more bulb warnings.